Hello everyone and welcome to Instant Biology by Dr. Nilab. I am here with you with another very important video on abroad internship opportunities. Now today I am going to talk about Vienna BioCenter Summer School. Now this notification has been out since many days, but I got to see this opportunity recently, so I thought I should communicate to you about this. Now, talking about Vienna BioCenter, now this is a very prominent institute present in Austria, one of the very good and renowned institutes. Very prominent scientific research takes place over here. So, without much ado, let us quickly go through it. In this particular video, we would be discussing about how to apply, what are the benefits for the students who apply through this program, stipend and everything we would be discussing. So first thing first, let us go through this link. First of all, this link would be present in the description section also. And if you go to the description section directly, this link would be available there. You can click on this link and you can be redirected to this particular page. Now, starting from this, Vienna BioCenter Summer School is basically as an event, and that would be 9 weeks long. That means you will have to free yourself for 9 weeks, and this is a 9-week research program, and life science undergrads are the people or the students who would be selected from. That means the eligibility criteria would be undergraduate students from life science backgrounds. I would be talking more about the eligibility criteria in just a few minutes. Now, let us talk about the deadline. So 15th January is the deadline. 15th January 2025 is the deadline for applying to this summer school. Now, talking about the salient features, the Vienna BioCenter Summer School provides a unique opportunity for approximately 20 undergraduate students. This means that each year approximately 20 UG students, 20 undergraduate students would be selected for this particular program, and they would be offered a dynamic scientific environment to pursue their research. Now you can see that it is basically a basically a platform that would provide a perfect preparation scheme for those students who are interested in graduate study in the life science arena. Now, applicants who are successful are provided with accommodation. Now, see what would be given to you during the program, what are the amenities, what are the stipend and everything. Let us quickly go through that. So applicants who are successful are provided with accommodation, a travel allowance and a stipend for the duration of the scholarship. Now this is important because you are getting the accommodation also, travel allowance also and stipend also, and the program will be starting on last Friday in June and finishes on the last Friday of August, 31st August each year. So June it will be starting and it will be ending by the end of August. So this is the timeline. So keeping in mind this timeline, then only you should apply, because you should be free during this time period, because you have to be present at the site. That means you will have to be present at the Vienna BioCenter. Now, talking about this summer school, it is a collaboration between 5 of the Europe's leading research institutes. First is Research Center for Molecular Medicine, Gregor Mendel Institute. Next is Institute of Molecular Biotechnology, Institute of Molecular Pathology, and Max Perutz Lab. So these is generously supported by Max Bernstein Foundation. So this is the logo of the foundation that is basically supporting this summer school. And I have already told you that this summer school will be a collaborative event of these 5 basically Europe's leading research institutes. Now, talking about the research project, now each individual or each student would be allocated a faculty member under which of course he would be working, and the research project will be focusing on a current topic in the allocated lab. That means the lab would be working on a particular topic, and the topic on which the lab is working, the student would be given a part of that topic, and he or she would be mentored by the supervisor. Now, the student is expected to perform certain experiments, analyze data, generate ideas, and discuss the results. So this happens in all the labs, nothing new about it. In addition to the practical laboratory work, scholar will also take part in lab meetings and journal clubs and other activities. Now, this is something that you should look forward to, because you are getting the chance to attend the lab meetings as well, so that you can know what other projects are running in the lab. So apart from that, other activities are mentioned over here which you can take part in, and you can click on that and learn about the other activities also. Now, there is another program that is running in the Vienna BioCenter that is called as Talents for Future program. Now, what does this mean? The Talents for Future program is a special initiative from the Vienna BioCenter Summer School, and it will provide a research opportunity in biology to highly motivated and talented students independent of their socio-economic background. Now remember, this Talents for Future program is separate from the program that we have been talking about. We have been talking about the summer school, but this is entirely a different program that again is funded by Vienna BioCenter. And there are number of vacancies in the program for which students from other countries can apply, and this is the link you can click on this link and you can check out which positions, which projects are available. Now, application details and benefits. Now we are returning back to the summer school over here. So selected fellows receive numerous benefits. And what are the benefits? You can click over here, but major benefits I'm going to tell you. Example, free student accommodation. That means you do not have to pay anything for your accommodation. Stipend also, you would be getting 1400 euros after tax for the 9 weeks. Now you'll have to stay there for 9 weeks, as I've already told you, and you would be getting 1400 euros for staying over there. You would also be getting medical insurance. Now, if you have not gone abroad, then you should definitely know that medical insurance is one of the major expenditures that you have to incur when you are going abroad. So medical insurance would also be paid. So we do not charge an application fee. Now this is very, very important thing, because in the last video that I made for foreign opportunities, I was talking about HKU. In that, a prominent amount of the application fees was there, but over here there is no application fees, and the institute welcomes application from all students and who have done BA honors, masters, MSc from all around the world. Now you see, master's students and MSc students are also eligible. BA honors is also eligible. Now, of course, these degree mean different things in different countries of the world. But for our country, you can say that master's MSc in life science or master's degree in life science would be it. That if you have this degree, you can apply over here. Now, I will be talking more about the eligibility in just a moment. Now, from all around the world who are undergraduates, master's students, and have completed at least 2 years of university study. Now this is the entire thing, right? So 2 years, at least 2 years of university studies. You can be undergraduate student, you can be master's student, and at least you should have completed 2 years of your studies. Please check the relevant criteria below and the link to application form. Now this link, if you click on the program thing, then you would be taken on to the program. Now this is research project. That means what are the research projects available in which you can work. So research projects related to mol bio, neuroscience, immunology, bioinformatics, RNA biology, stem cell and biochemistry. These are the research projects that are available, and these are supported by members of a laboratory. The scholar will be expected to perform experiments. I've already told you what work you will have to do. Now lecture series are also available. That means you can take part in the lecture series that are available in the research campus. So as a part of the summer school, there are weekly lectures by members of faculty on current trends within the field of research. So you can take part, you can discuss, you can meet people, so on and so forth. Scientific symposium will also be there. The Vienna BioCenter Summer School concludes with a scientific symposium. In a short talk, each scholar will present his or her findings to the students and faculty. Of course, there will be prizes also, and they will be dispersed after, I believe, once you complete the research project. Now, talents for future, I've already told you. Moreover, I'm not over here interested in talking about talents for future. We are more interested in the summer school, but this is the talents for future. So this is a special initiative of the Vienna BioCenter. So about this, the program has been mentioned. Now program description has also been mentioned over here, 1st June to 31st August. So this is a 3 months program, and application deadline is 15/1/2025. And in this, you can say that in this particular program, so Program objectives, let us quickly go through this. So Talents for Future program will provide a research opportunity in biology to highly motivated and talented students, independent of their socio-economical background. The research internship will foster scientific and this. I have already told you about this. Now this is a special initiative. Okay, so dates have been mentioned over here. They will receive fellowship that will cover travel, accommodation, health insurance, monthly stipend will be, and it would be a 3-month research internship basically program. And over here also what all things would be there has been mentioned over here. Now let us go back because we are not interested now in talking about the talents for future. So how to apply for the summer basically summer school. So we encourage the applications from students BA honors, MS masters and MSc from all around the world who are undergraduates, master students and have completed at least 2 years of university study in a life science background and related study. So molecular biology, cell biology, chemistry, etc. List of the areas have been mentioned over here. So if you click over here, then you can see the projects that are present. So these are the areas in which you can work. Okay, yeah, so these are the areas in which you can work. You can scroll down and read more about that. I would not be able to go to each and every program because it will lengthen the video. Now, so application information, eligibility criteria I've already told you. So this is the eligibility criteria, more elaborated eligibility criteria. So you need to be studying a degree in life science subjects and related to one of the groups offering a position in the call. Check carefully before starting application. So you should have completed at least 2 years of a university study. Example, 2 to 3 years of bachelor's honors study or 1 year of master's study by 30th June. Now in year 3, if you are in a 4-year BA honors, in year 4 if you are in 4-year BA honors or BSc honors in life science related subject with an acceptance or intention to apply to master's program, right? Apart from that, you can see over here in year 1 or 2, in year 1 of a 2-year master's course, that means MSc in life science, in year 2 of a US undergraduate bachelor's in life science, and in year 2 of a 4-year BTech degree is in India, that is why it has been specified, in a life science related subject. Good academic record, high level of English language, evidence of enrollment in a university program for the course. And important information for MD applicants, I don't think more MD applicants would be applying from India, but MD, if you have a degree, MDs may only apply if they have completed 3 to 4 years of their studies and have the relevant research experience. They must also intend to study a PhD in life science related to subject. Now remember, the following studies will not be considered: veterinary, medicine, medical engineering, agriculture, pharmacy, zoology, food or nutritional science, and any other degrees that do not include lab training or are not related to molecular or cellular biology. So these things will not be included. Now, questions and contact. We receive approximately 3,000 applications. So, I mean, you can check out the FAQs, and first of all, you can check out the FAQs, and then if you still have any queries, you can contact over here. Talking about the application procedure and timeline, you can click over here. So these are the timelines that have been mentioned, and you have to basically adhere to this timeline, right? So this is it. So over here you can see that the Summer School 2025 main program application link, and this is the link for Summer School 2025 Talents for Future. So if I have to apply for the main program, you have to click over here. If you are applying for Talents for Future, click over here. Both the things are open now. Now you can click on labs over here if you want to check out the labs. So these are the labs that are accepting applications, and I've clicked on the back button so that we can check out other things also. Benefits, I've already told you about this. So yeah, so housing, other benefits have been mentioned, social programs. So these are all the benefits that are associated. Awards, of course, if you when you would be presenting your presentation, you would be given awards also depending upon how you performed, things like that. Yeah. Before going further, I would want to inform you about one program that my company is running. So basically, we have started a new program called as Udan program. Now, this Udan program is specifically designed for students who want to apply for abroad positions, let us say internship positions, let us say masters, let us say PhD positions and postdoc positions also. Now, if you are interested in applying to these positions, we can help you out because we have mentors present at our end, and these mentors are specialized, and these are highly qualified mentors who during their during their time have already applied to such positions and have gained a lot of experience in this. So talking about the Udan program, the general consultation session, suppose if you have general queries in mind, for example, how much would it cost to stay in a abroad country, how you need to apply, how you need to email a professor, things like that, general queries if you have, you can take our general consultation service, and it costs only rupees 299 for a period of 45 minutes. That means you would be given 45 minutes. Mentor would also be there and I would also be there. We both would be giving our inputs, and you can ask your queries in the general consultation session. Apart from that, we can also help you in document preparation. So many students, they require help in SOP writing, letter of motivation, CV preparation. So we can help you out with this also. Apart from that, we also conduct mock interviews, and we can help you out to prepare for your interviews. Again, we also can shortlist some universities for you depending upon your area of interest and your area in which country you want to go. We can shortlist some labs, some institutes for you. So that would cut out the time that you would require for applying to such universities. So these are some of the services that we offer in the Udan program. So if you are interested, you can always get in touch with us, and for communicating with us, this is the contact number 8299134528. This is the contact number. You can WhatsApp us directly, or you can also email us samadhanlifesciences@gmail.com. This is the email ID. You can directly get the email ID at the in the description section. Apart from that, there is our Telegram group also that is specifically dedicated to abroad positions, be it internship, be it PhD, masters or postdoc applications. So in that also we continuously share different opportunities that are available. So this also you can do. So if you are interested, of course, this will definitely, in my opinion, enhance your chances of getting selected to different positions. So coming back to the Vienna BioCenter, so what are the benefits? Free student accommodation. Each student will be awarded a stipend of 1400 euros. Medical insurance is included for the 9 weeks. Free travel pass providing unlimited use of public transport within Vienna. Reimbursement of travel costs to and from Vienna, and numerous social events will also you can also attend numerous social events. So these are the benefits. Now coming to the FAQs, now this is a certain section of FAQs. Now are letters of reference required? You can see that time of application at the time of application references are not required, but later on it might be required. The specific language requirement, age limit, how much is the application fee? There is no application fee. Which document should I upload? Now you can see that. So please upload your enrollment certificate, transcript or studies or exam results from the last year of your course. You will also need to upload a proof of enrollment for the next academic year. If this is not possible, you should upload a personal statement with the programs that you will apply. A CV or cover letter is not required. Now you can see that you should upload a personal statement with the programs that you have or will apply for. So now this is important because once you apply for, once you are applying, you require a personal statement. So we can help you out in checking that personal statement, in editing that personal statement. All of this because all of this would be required if you are applying to this institution. So that is all from my side. You can check out the FAQs and then you can decide. So this is all from my side. So thank you so much. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.